Oh, I love that starter.
It's a beautiful morning, and we're heading out, going back out to the cemetery. And today's the day that the bird rigs up the stinger on the back of the goat, and we're going to see what that's all about. See if we can set that monument.
We're gonna get her done.
We're going to get her done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We got a balloon fest going this weekend. Friday morning, we're back out at the cemetery. Looks like the cement dried nicely. We should be able to work with that this morning. And they've got the balloon fest going on, and that's been very impressive and very nice. You can see the balloons in the background behind the goat there, and the whole valley is full of the balloons. We're looking forward to another great day here. I think we'll have some success getting that monument placed. The goat's all dressed up in her 4th of July flags, and this home's got the 4th of July flags. And hey, old bird, what kind of 4th of July words do you have for us this holiday and this morning?
Well, this has been a great day. They're celebrating here by having the balloon fest going on and starting with that. And we got to be able to be here at the same time we were placing the monument. So it just kind of be kind of a neat opportunity. But we also wanted to make sure that we all remembered that this country we live in came at a price for all of us. And we're grateful to live here, and we're grateful for the freedoms we enjoy. It gives us the opportunities to do things like this.
Drive old 35 Fords around.
You bet. And just enjoy going around and visiting people, and the people here are just so good. It's everywhere we go, everybody waves at us and honks at us. You know, they see the old goat going by, and they just think that's great with the flags on it. Recognize our independence that we have in this great country we live in.
Thank you very much, and happy 4th of July. We're driving up the road and we noticed this beautiful Ford. Looks like it's about a 71, 72 F-150. Obviously long bed, coming around, moon rims. This thing is beautiful. Interior looks as beautiful as the exterior. This person must be very pleased to get to drive this beautiful machine.
Yeah, they did a great job.
It's an F-100. I think I said F-150. Wonder what's under the hood. Any idea, old bird?
What it should have or what it has?
I bet it has what it should have. He looks like he's gone pretty original.
It would be a 352 in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I bought this in 73. Yeah, it sat out behind my house for 45 years, I think. Went out and dropped the oil out of it.
Well, I like the patina you left with it.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So that's the original engine, is it?
Yeah, it is. Everything's original except the radiator and the
course.
tires.
So,
That.
Clay, the exhaust manifold, that
They
is...
run across each other. Does this one do that?
But look, it's coming forward. That's,
Yeah. So he says they run across.
Yeah,
well,
they
they
run
used
across
to.
the front.
But he split it. So originally they ran across and went out back on the single.
Yeah.
But that's what he said. He's got it split up in a dual. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice radiator upgrade there.
That was nice.
Yeah.
That's a great one. Louie's Garage.
Yeah.
I love the custom cab emblem right here.
That is
That's
cool.
beautiful.
He did a great job. The old wood bed's still in there. He stored that.
Yeah, I put that
That's
in
pretty.
there. It's, yeah, I haven't done anything to the engine except put new plugs and.
Can you start it for us? You can hear
Yeah.
that beautiful thing? Okay.
Oh, I love that starter. There you go.
Still got the generator on it.
Yes, it does.
What year is it?
56.
56.
Yeah.
That is perfect. That is the most beautiful paint job of all.
There you go. Well, thank you so much.
You get something like this, and that's what what tells the story, and that's what has all the feeling in it. At least for me.
My grandkids, they're painters. They painted my old Jeep in here. Did you see it?
Got the old
Okay.
V6 in it. It's got the depth head. The old Buick in there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with this Jeep. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Well, there is one thing wrong. It's in here and it needs to be out there.
Yeah, my grandson painted all this.
Well, he did a beautiful job.
Yeah, he did.
What year's that engine?
Same year as the Jeep.
That came that way?
Yeah, they came that way. They came that way. This it was made in '69.
69.
It's registered as 70.
I'm glad that you brought us in to take a look.
Yes. Let's go over and see if we can find that truck.
Hey, that was great. Lewie told us about this old truck over here. We'd seen it in town, but we didn't know anything about it and didn't know how to get access to go see it. But with Lewie's guidance, we can drive right up to it and take a peek.
Been in the trucking business for 55 years. I call it a plain old farm truck, but it wasn't. But
That's great. Well, thank you. We
open the door there and look at it.
All right, let us do it.
You can draw up there and sit in the seat if you want to.
Oh, there you go, Wade. Oh, man.
Yeah, that's great.
All original.
There you go, brother.
Don't miss a step. Just get a hold of the handle, the other handle, and go right on up.
Wow. You want to see this?
Oh.
This is remarkable. You know, I'm not a trucker, but this makes me want to start driving today. It's-
13-speed transmission in it.
Look at that. 13-speed transmission.
85 model.
Gauges are all clean. The dash is complete. He has spent a lot of money restoring this machine. The sleepers, I'll tuck and roll. All right. Wow.
Look at this thing. Oh, wow.
5 and a 3 and a... Yeah. Never heard
Okay.
the sound of the gun bark. I don't know.
Hope he doesn't mind.
You gotta know. Here's old Blue.
Yep.
Well, 6-cylinder.
I don't know if this is a 350 or is it bigger even. They built bigger ones. That is beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. Mine.
That was quite a story. Hauling coal from Price. That would have been a hairy ride in what he was driving.
Yeah, but look at this.
He says they're ready to go.
We can make them go. Battery.
Old KWs. These are old workhorses. One's a dumper.
Get into it. Get in. I'd love to see
He
it.
says you can open the door. It's what he told me.
I know, but I don't know if we can see much anyway.
Right.
Here. Oh, man. You can show that in there, but you can. Look familiar?
Sure does. Driving these trucks right here, this is when trucking was not for the weak of heart. This was not a weekend passion or hobby. If you were driving this machine, you were working hard and you were risking your life, quite honestly. Not enough brakes, not enough engine. Yeah. The Jimmies and KWs, there's nothing wrong with this guy.
Now, this is it.
Well, today we're very fortunate. We've got Jarrett with us. He stopped by, I don't know, a 4-hour drive from Salt Lake area. He stopped by to help us with some of the heavy lifting today. And so we're gonna rig up the boom on the back of the goat here and get it ready so we can set the monument. And hey, that's where Jarrett comes in.
Glad to help.
All right.
You gotta put that on a stand or?
Yeah. Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, once that truck gets there, you can set it easy.
Yeah.
you can see from the bird's smile, in bird world, this is top notch.
It works.
Oh, it's cool.
Very touchable wood.
That is perfect. Look at that. I say, oh Yellowbeak, you've done a great job here. You and your yellow rope and your Ford contraption. What do you call this? What's it called, Bird?
Oh, besides the goat, you mean?
No, the contraption.
The stinger?
We're calling it the Stinger.
Uh-huh.
How do you know it's not a
Stinger.
gin pole?
That's the gin pole.
Okay, it's a gin pole or a Stinger. That's beautiful. All right, well, we got the base down, and now we're working to get this monument lifted out of the back. This is the most critical step, and we're going to take our time and make sure we get it right and don't have any problems. That's the question. The old goat has been holding up. That's a lot of weight, but she's been doing it. And okay, here we go. Hold. Stop. Okay. Here it goes. Yeah, okay. You're holding part of it up. Yeah, you're holding it. Let it down. Take the weight off. There we go.
We got her set down, we got her glued, and what we're doing now is we're just cleaning up our messes.
Hey,
Boy.
we got it done.
Finally.
It has been a great day, and you know, you saw all the rigging, but there it is. We are delighted. It is perfect and beautiful, and we're gonna head out now and go to some more adventures. I don't know if you can see everything, but there it is. So we've had a great few days here in Panguitch, and now we're ready to get on up the road and find some more excitement and see what Mr. Oz has for us.
Well, I'm sure that there'll be more down the yellow brick road.
Down the yellow brick road, and you know, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain pulling the strings
Pulling
and
the strings.
bringing all the fun. Hey, this is a beautiful cemetery, and we'll look forward to more visits. But there it is, and we're done. Thumbs up, Bird? Is it?
Thumbs up.
Okay, great.